Now comes the most awaited moment of the evening, the Yuva Ratna Awards. To do justice to this prestigious occasion, I would like to invite Pratham to introduce the person who played a pivotal role coordinating every detail from starting to ending, also the execution, ensuring the success of this awards. So I would like to introduce I would like to invite Pratham to introduce that person. Pratham, please.
Good evening, distinguished members of the HR fraternity. I am Pratham Shah, member of SHRP, here to introduce a true Yuva Ratna in the HR domain, Miss Neha Vadhwani. Miss Vadhwani, an accomplished HR professional, holds an MBA from Nirma University. Starting her journey as an assistant system engineer, she quickly gravitated towards human resources, showcasing her aptitude for understanding and nurturing talent. Her expertise in employee engagement, performance management, and well being has garnered recognition, including prestigious awards such as the Best in Class for Training and Development in PSU, the Golden Peacock Award for the HR Excellence, and the HR Excellence from the Indian Chemical Council. Ms. Vadhwani is not only a practitioner but also a prolific writer. She has authored two books in HR intervention and published three research papers contributing significantly to the body of knowledge in the HR field. So please have a big round of applause for Ms. Neha Vadhwani.
So I request Gaurav to welcome Miss Neha Vadhwani with her plant. Welcome, Neha. Thank you, Gaurav. Now, Neha, it's up to you.
So thank you so much for the wonderful introduction. And so here we start. So what an inspiring journey so far. We have just honored our Gyan Ratna awardees and Shruti ma'am, Himanshu sir, Yash sir, and the veterans who have actually dedicated their lives to evolve the HR practices and work for the society. So we are honored to have them today with us. Let's give them a big round of applause again for the work they have been doing. And now it's time to look forward towards the next generation of HR leaders. So respected the Gyan Ratna awardees, the Gyan Ratna committee members, the Yuva Ratna committee members, Hiren sir, and the HR seniors and colleagues, I, Neha Vadhwani, is honored to welcome all of you here in the Yuva Ratna Award ceremony, a hallmark of excellence in the HR fraternity. So today, we are going to honor these rising stars who are shaping the future of workplace, bridging gaps across generations, and redefining organizational culture for years to come. Today, as a part of HR Sammelan 3, we celebrate the contributions of the young HR professionals who have gone beyond and above to create transformative impact in their organizations. And this is not just a recognition, it's also fostering a culture of innovation, learning, and knowledge sharing across industries. So we aim to build competitive, people-centric, and forward-thinking organizations, and to initiate a spark in these young HR professionals to reach new heights in the area of the HR and create a legacy for the budding HR professionals. So the next generation, once they reach a height. And we never know, these Yuva young HR professionals may become Gyan Ratna Award winners as well in the days to come, years to come. So before we dive deep into the Yuva Ratna Award, all about it. It's the objectives and the intentions and the process, the journey, the experiences. Let's have a small energizer because I could see a few of the people are little disengaged. So जो लोग भी लास्ट बेंच पे है और रील्स वगैरह चला रहे हैं तो एक एनर्जाइजर करने की कोशिश करेंगे एंड फिर विल गेट बैक टू इट. ओके, स्मॉल एनर्जाइजर्स, ऑल सेट, ऑल रेडी. जिन लोगों के पास भी मोबाइल्स है प्लीज अपने मोबाइल्स फोटो वोटो मत खींचिए, कोई रिकॉर्डिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है, अपने मोबाइल्स अपने जेब में रख सकते हैं. यस, ऑल लास्ट बेंचेस स्पेशली. ओके, सो लेट्स क्लोज आवर आईज एंड आप सब लोग से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अपने मोबाइल साइड रख के, वॉलंटियर्स भी 2 मिनट कर सकते हैं, अपनी आंखें बंद कर लीजिए और गहरी लंबी सांस लीजिए एंड लेट्स ट्राई टू रिलैक्स. लेट्स रिलैक्स वंस अगेन. टेक अ डीप ब्रीथ एंड रिलैक्स. इमेजिन करिए कि आप लोग के सामने एक डब्बा है और वो जो डब्बा है वो आप ही की हाइट का है एंड आप उस डब्बे के अंदर है. एंड ट्राई टू इमेजिन कि उसका कलर क्या है, टेक्सचर क्या है. एंड उस डब्बे के अंदर एक दरवाजा है और आप वो दरवाजा खोलते हैं और बाहर आ जाते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू आर आउट यू कैन ओपन योर आईज. सो कैन आई हैव द सर इन द पर्पल शर्ट प्लीज. सर, कौन से कलर का डब्बा दिखा आपको? ब्लैक. It was wooden or transparent or like iron, मतलब कौन से मटेरियल का लगा आपको? Wood. Okay, thank you sir. Anybody else want to share? Okay, देखिए अब मैं आप सबसे तो नहीं पूछने वाली हूँ, मैं बस ये बता देती हूँ. Okay, yeah, please go ahead. White, great. Again wooden. Okay. ओके ओके, ग्रेट, थैंक्स. देखिए, इट्स वेरी सिंपल कि इट्स अगेन एन एक्सरसाइज. जैसे कि यश सर ने आज बोला कि हम कनेक्शन अपनी फैमिलीज़ के साथ, अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के साथ, इवन स्वामी जी ने भी पहले कहा, पर एचआर यही है कि हम कनेक्शन पहले खुद के साथ मेंटल हेल्थ के थ्रू और उसके बाद अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ उनको और डीपली कनेक्ट करना भी सिखाते हैं. दैट्स एचआर. तो ये एक्सरसाइज इज अगेन इज एन साइकोलॉजिकल एक्सरसाइज वेयर अगर आपको कोई डब्बा दिखा, ट्रांसपेरेंट दिखा, यानी आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को देख सकते हैं. अगर ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं दिखा यानी आपको अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स देखने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. अगर आप बाहर निकलते हैं और तुरंत निकल जाते हैं, यानी डिसीजंस, यानी दरवाजे से जब निकलते हैं बाहर तो प्रॉब्लम से भी आप तुरंत बाहर निकल सकते हैं. अगर आपको टाइम लगता है देन यू हैव टू मेक इट एफर्ट. सो एंड ये जो एक्सरसाइज है अलग अलग फेज ऑफ लाइफ में अलग अलग रिजल्ट देती है, आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ आई होप आप सब लोग यहाँ फोकस्ड हैं एंड वी कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड आगे. So what are the objectives of the युवा रत्न अवार्ड? जब ये युवा रत्न अवार्ड की शुरुआत हुई थी पिछले साल, ऑलरेडी एक फेज आ चुका था एंड दिस वाज अ कंटिन्यूएशन. सो इसकी कोशिश ये थी कि हम रिकग्नाइज कर सके उन एम्प्लॉयज़ को, उन युवा रत्न को हु हैव बीन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इन देयर फील्ड एंड दे आर ऑल्सो contributing in a field to drive business. They're impacting business and enhancing the employee experience. These are the ones who are to establish a strong knowledge management system, to have a stronger legacy in HR, best practices, and learn from the peers and align with the best practices through an outside-in approach. This was the last year's where we had actually 10 of the Yuva Ratna were awarded. That was 7 Jan, the first Sunday of last year. That's the concept, I guess. इसके बेनिफिट्स अभी तक जो लगे हैं वो ऐसा है कि एक तो जो युवा रत्न सिलेक्ट होते हैं, जो शॉर्टलिस्ट होते हैं, उनका रीच बहुत बढ़ता है. द कनेक्शंस अक्रॉस द एचआर फ्रेटर्निटी इंक्रीजेस, नेटवर्किंग इंक्रीजेस. देन it has been noticed that of course they take pride in contributions again as sir said, but then वो अपना काम में उनको मन तो होता है लेकिन और खुशी होती है कि मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने तो दिया ही, साथ ही बियॉन्ड माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आई वाज अप्रिशिएटेड. सो दैट्स समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी गुड, वेरी fulfilling for the employee. What is happening across domains, latest projects in the HR domain across industries, and they also come to know knowledge sharing culture, a community building where everybody is focused on learning and growth. So that's the basic benefits. Our intention was, once the idea was conceptualized, once the idea was there, how to conceptualize it, how to implement it, and make it a reality. And that was introduced last year in 2024. This year, we have consistently carrying out whilst raising the bar and making it automized to reduce the maximum subjectivity is our later goal, which we would be doing in the coming years or maybe next year. That's the goal. Well, how to reach Yuva Ratna Award. So what is the entire process? हमने जो jury है, उन्होंने बहुत effort लगाया है, end to end, starting कि किस तरीके से what should be the criteria, what should be the selection procedure, and how we have to shortlist so that the most deserving employee gets the Yuva Ratna Award. So because इस बार competition काफी tough था, we have 64 entries across domains. हम उसका भी एक analysis आपको बताएंगे कि the employees who were across genders, across industries have participated. So the scale of the organization also differed. And how among them selecting the employee was difficult because for some organizations which are small scale, their projects were very different, and the ones having large scale, the projects were very different, and then giving justice to them was a difficult task. So first of all, it was inviting the applications of the HR professionals who have contributed in the HR domain. The first shortlist, that was a basic screening, was done on the experience. That was 1 to 6 years and 6 to 12 years. So here, a lot of employees were actually given their, who have submitted their applications, but हमें उनको cite करना पड़ा because even though the projects were good, पर हमारा criteria था कि हम 12 years से ऊपर युवा रत्न award नहीं देना चाहते थे. उसके बाद there was next round of shortlisting to check the authenticity of the project. And for that, the jury actually went through the data, the evidence provided, and was going through it. There was another round, that was a jury assessment round, where the impact created by the project, the efforts put in by the employee, the scale of the organization, the innovation, these were the other parameters which were taken care of. And then we also had stakeholders contacts to actually contact to check if this work has also been done or not, and hence the winner of the Yuva Ratna. These are the areas for nominations. So, जो entries हमने मंगाई थी, वो हमने इन areas में मंगाई थी, and this is based on a Dave Ulrich's HR model, where the role of HR has been already defined. That what are the various roles that HR play, be it change agent, be it HR champion or admin roles, and based on that, these categories were defined. And I'm very glad to share that once we see, these are the applications received percentage-wise in the different categories. So like we have 39% in the strategic HR, 20% in HRIR, and so on. So that's one. Next is analysis on the applications received. So when we talk about gender, we have like 71% males and 28% females, number of participants having experience. So here, like I mentioned earlier, greater than 12 years of experience, so it's 22%, and that is a lot of people. हमें लगता है कि हमें next year एक नई category launch करनी पड़ेगी जहाँ हम उन लोगों को जिनका 12 साल से ज़्यादा experience है उनको भी हम सम्मानित कर पाएंगे. This is another analysis of the applications received, where these are the applications received from different industries. So we have a huge diversity, where we have manufacturing leading it by 68%, and IT, real estate, constructions, and service sector. So these are the categories which have been done by the jury itself, कि हमने इसमें categorize किया जिससे हमको shortlist करने में आसानी हो. And there are different scale of the organization हमने ये भी define किया है, where you can say the small scale, the medium, and the large scale industries. These are the participating companies. So this is the diverse organizations which have participated this year, and we have 64 entries across them. What were the evaluation criteria? जो evaluation criteria थे वो हम already हमारे Google form में declared थे. We had innovation, consistency, business impact, process improvement, and impact by self. तो एक चीज़ बहुत कोशिश की गई थी कि अगर कोई small scale industry है तो उनके projects बहुत different होंगे, और जो large scale है उनके projects different होंगे, लेकिन फिर भी हम उनको justice कर पाए. क्या small scale में भी उन्होंने कुछ innovation लाने की कोशिश की है, क्या large scale में किया है कि नहीं, because the other things are all set. तो इसलिए इन दोनों को justify करने की कोशिश की गई. Consistency. क्या कंसिस्टेंटली उस चीज़ को किया जा रहा है? अगर कोई एम्प्लॉय है जिसको 8 महीने ही हुए हैं या 4 महीने ही हुए हैं, तो क्या वो जस्टिस कर पाएगा कुछ नया इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए? सो दीज वर थिंग्स विच हर ज्यूरी हैज़ एक्चुअली थॉट ऑन, कि पहले उसको खुद को सेटल डाउन होना है, प्रॉब्लम समझनी है और खुद उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना है. सो वॉज दैट पॉसिबल ऑल्सो? वॉट इज द बिजनेस इम्पैक्ट क्रिएटेड, द प्रोसेस इम्प्रूवमेंट्स, एंड खुद ने कितना काम किया है कि इट्स अ टीम एफर्ट. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सच थिंग्स विच वी हैड given a thought, the jury has given a thought to, and based on that the shortlists have come out. So this is the shortlisting criteria based on numbers. So total entries what we received was 64, out of which 50 हमारे shortlist हुए based on the experience. After that, based on the data and evidence and the other factors, we had 35. After jury discussion round, we have 20. And finally, इस साल हम लोगों ने 8 युवा, मतलब इस साल 8 युवा रत्न है जिनको प्राइज दिया जाएगा. Okay. So, क्या आप हैं उनमें से? Okay, and there's another one consolation prize which we would be giving. So, जो 8 प्राइज दिए जाएंगे, लास्ट ईयर 10 थे, but this time the jury was very stringent कि अगर अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है तो नहीं ही दिए जाएंगे unless they are well deserving, and that's how they have been arrived. So now it's time that we come for the Yuva Ratna Award committee members. Okay? So these are the main brains behind जिन्होंने पूरा भार संभाला है end to end to make this happen, from the criteria to the shortlisting most deserving. So it's time that we welcome them. So I'm extremely honored to welcome Mr. Datesh Shah to the dais. May I request Hiren sir to please accompany him. And I request everybody to give a big round of applause for welcoming sir to the dais. So he's a visionary HR. So please have a seat. Okay. So visionary HR leader dedicated to fostering excellence, innovation, and impactful people management practices. It's my honor to introduce a distinguished professional whose journey in human resource leadership spans over 30 years and across a diverse array of industries such as textile, power, automobile, pharma, and chemicals. So he's currently serving as a vice president and head of HR at Zydus Life Science Limited, located in Vadodara. And with an exceptional career trajectory, he has contributed significantly to renowned organizations like Reliance, ABB, GE Power, Alembic, RPG, and CEAT. He has multi-faced leadership experience includes strategic work, greenfield projects, global HR practices, organizational transformation. He's a certified leadership coach and HR assessor with expertise in management effectiveness, change management, and long-term strategic planning. And he's also designed and implemented workforce systems such as self-management teams, 360-degree assessment processes, and he loves contributing to the community as an executive and governing members to Baroda Management Association, NHRD, GEO, Rotary Club, Baroda, Sayaji, Nagri. So we are honored to have you, sir, today with us. And may I please request Vikas to welcome sir with a planter. So let's all give a big round of applause and welcoming sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Please be seated. So let us now give a big round of applause to Mr. Rakesh Patel, who is an impactful leader and a dynamic HR professional. May I please request Sir Hiren sir to accompany him to the dais, and all of you please give a big round of applause in welcoming sir. Please be seated. We are honored to have you today with us. Mr. Rakesh Patel, who currently serves as the Senior Vice President, HR, Admin, Legal, and EHS at the Scott Group. He leads the HR functions for both the Scott Glass India Private Limited and a joint venture, Scott Poonawalla Private Limited, overseeing operations across all sites in India. Mr. Patel has been a pivotal part of Scott for over a decade and contributing significantly to the company's remarkable growth. An alumnus of Symbiosis University, he holds an MBA in HR a bachelor degree in economics. He's also earned a Bachelor of Law and is a Microsoft certified system engineer with over 25 years of rich experience in HR. He's also previously worked in Gulbrandsen Chemicals, Lear Corporation, Birla Century, and Chemrock Industries. A firm believer in situational leadership, he skillfully manages a diverse team across manufacturing and sales, excelling in both strategic and HR operations. So we are honored to have you, sir, today with us. And may I please request Mayur to welcome sir with a planter. Thank you, sir. Please be seated. And now let's join hands to welcome the most dynamic and visionary leader, Mr. Suren Rathore, to the dais. So please be seated. Thank you. We are privileged to welcome Mr. Suren Rathore, sir, the VP of HR at IDX Corporation, leading HR strategies across India, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. A certified leadership architect and a thought leader in strategic HR. Suren sir specializes in fostering inclusive work culture, advancing employee engagement, and driving talent development initiatives for emerging markets. Suren sir's remarkable contributions to the HR domain have earned him numerous accolades, including HR Excellence Award 2023, HR Leadership Awards, Top HR Leadership Awards 2023, and Top HR Minds Award 24. Recognition among India's impactful HR leaders 24. In addition to these awards, he's also contributed to work such as Total Competency Model and HR Business Partnering Playbook. He's also the creator of transformative training programs including HR Business Partnering, Diversity and Career Development, Servant Leadership, etc. And he likes giving back to the society and plays evident roles with GEO, Parul University, and IDEX Foundation, where he nurtures the next generation of HR professions. We are honored to have you, sir, today with us, and may I please request Jamin to welcome sir with a planter. Thank you. And now it's time to welcome an exceptional leader, a passionate mentor, and a true visionary in the human resources, Mr. Amit Karandikar, to the dais. It's a privilege to introduce a true stalwart of human resource domain, Mr. Amit sir, with over 29 years of multifaceted experience spanning industries such as petrochemicals, telecom, textiles, pharma, IT, agriculture. He has been instrumental in driving transformative HR strategies and practices across organizations. He holds Masters in Social Work from prestigious Faculty of Social Work at MS University of Baroda and has furthered his learning through Executive GMP at ISB Hyderabad. He has also earned certifications in competency mapping and 360-degree feedback process under the mentorship of Dr. T.V. Rao and is currently pursuing his fellowship research at the Academy of HRD. Presently, he serves as a GM and head HR for NetAfem India while also holding the role of People Country Manager for Orbia Business Group in India. His illustrious career include impactful tenures at organizations like Atul Limited, Elite Core Technologies, Indus Pharma, AC Nielsen, Arvind Mills, and Reliance Industries Limited. His passion for talent development, HR process automation, leadership initiatives have set benchmarks in the industry. And notably, his work has been featured in Dr. T.V. Rao's 100 Managers in Action and Human Capital Management. Over the years, Amit sir has received numerous accolades, including the Most Influential HR Professional Award by IPE and World HRD Congress, Achiever of Excellence in HR Award by SP University, recognition for leadership excellence in talent and organizational development by multiple institutes. He is also in advisory positions with BMA and HRD, reflecting his dedication to the HR community. So we are honored to have you today with us. And may I please request Ronak to welcome sir with a planter. Thank you so much, sir. And so this time, as I mentioned, we have 64 entries across industries coming and coming from across the country as well. So it's time that we know कि हमारे jury का क्या opinion था, what were their experiences, how had they shortlisted the most deserving Yuva Ratna. They were very stringent, and so let's invite the jury to share their experiences.
It's okay. So good evening. I'll not make because we are already going quite delayed than the scheduled program, but it's a great honor to be here. And on behalf of my jury, they will also take I think we'll finish in as early as possible. But you must have seen the presentation of Neha. It was very, very impactful, data driven. We started our work itself also what we are going to assess. You look at that the way demographics of participation of the organization, their experience, the kind of nomination has come to the category. So we started charity from home. We also believe in a data-based working and data-based presentation. So award was trying to, basically the biggest idea was on a 3P principle. As a jury we started. Policy, what is that content? What policy denotes? What does that say? So we asked them to write a small write-up. So that's what policy is all about. Second, we asked them process. Does it the process or some mind has gone inside or not? So we grilled ourselves what process he has followed. Third, practice. Is it data? Data gives you whether the work has done, whether it has created some business impact, or is it created a reward. So my congratulations to all participants and those who are winner, also them. And I think we are going to next year, we told to Hiren Bhai, we are going to create some kind of a automation. We are going to bring software so subjectivity can be eliminated. So I think that's the idea of entire this project. And lastly, I will say the one Sanskrit creator, the biggest message to all, Gunanam Gunani Prasiddhim. See, it is not required to go for a fame. Fame will follow if you have a hard work. So that's the crux of this award. Thank you.
Thanks, Ritesh. I have three things to share quickly. First of all, we have listened to Swamiji today and all the Jnana Ratna awardees. I think with due permission of Hiren Bhai and with blessings of Swamiji, I'm thinking of one award category to be introduced, for next year. The Triple C award, C Cube. What we listened today, care, concern and consideration. I think, and we should put it like CQ practitioners, because that's what, we should be talking about, and that is what I think, and I think we'll go one step forward. Next 1 month, you can give nomination to SHRP, we will work out a mechanism, a Google form. I think as an HR, we should take a responsibility that next 1 year out of this, care, concern and consideration, I will work on this. It's okay. Give a small commitment to yourself, and see the impact that we can create for the people around us. And then it's not evaluation, it's not an exam. Come after a year that in this 3 or 1, whatever, I have done this. And I think we'll be happy to give them the CQ Practitioners Award with blessings of Swamiji. And I think that is what we are blessed as an HR to do. What impact it would create around us would be amazing, and we would try this, and we'll be happy to support on this going forward, whichever way we can. So this is one. And second, the documentation part, what Datte spoke about. As an HR, we do many things, but sometimes we don't realize what we are doing. Please do a documentation whichever way you are. You can do it in a diary, you can put your notes. There are so many things available, and you will amazed at the end of the year the kind of work that each one of us are doing. I think and see, marketing is, it's not, I'm not saying આત્મશ્લાઘા નહીં કરવાની, પણ જે કરીએ યાદ તો કરવું પડે ને, લોકોને કહેવું પણ પડે. જે બોલે એના બોર વેચાય અને ના બોલે એમાં કશું ના થાય. એટલે આપણે કરવાનું, આટલું કરીને આટલું નહીં કહેવાનું, પણ જેટલું કરીએ એટલું તો કહેવાનું જ. કારણ કે ઘણી વખત આપણે ભૂલી જઈએ છીએ અને આપણને એવું લાગે છે કે ના આ તો આપણો જોબ છે, આપણે એના માટે પેડ છીએ, પણ આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ અને ઇફ યુ કેન ક્વોન્ટિફાય, I can tell you someone who has worked just in 2 years, the number of people he would have interviewed, the number of recruitment he has done. Imagine the number of lives you have impacted positively. No? Imagine people working with 30 years, people working with 40 years, 50 years, sir is here. I mean, I remember the famous word which my boss used to say, some of you would remember Mr. V.V. Bhatt. I think many of us sitting here, we were in liquid form when these people were in uniform, 40 years, 50 years back. Some of us were not even born. So just imagine in the number of lives they have impacted. But we don't do documentation. I think so, please do so. And the next year award will be, it would be difficult you should make it difficult for the jury to select. And it was really very tough this time. I'm sure my colleagues would agree. And the last thing, there are 5 seats here and 1 seat is empty. It's not by default, it's by design. Can anyone guess what that 5th seat is? Anyone? No, it is our employee who represents for whom we work. All of us work for our employee. This empty seat represents the employee. So whatever we do, keep him in the center. Someone spoke about, employee first. Someone spoke about, Virgin Airline experience. Vineet Nair has a book on, employee first, customer later. So that's our employee who is, so whatever we do, ask a question. Are we doing something good for that empty chair, which is not empty? That represents the thousands of employees that we represent. So with this, I really congratulate each of the 8 winners, and let's look forward to committing ourselves for doing this wonderful service. And thankfully nowadays we are also paid well. So be happy about what we are doing. So thank you very much, Hiren Bhai and SHRP. A big round of applause to entire SHRP team. Thank you so much.
We'll run very quickly. Really, one thing actually, I think we have seen the process and the methodology and the criteria, credentials, everything. But most important experience we have as a jury this time is really our diversity is celebrating the contribution. And we got actually over 30% actually nomination and participation from the diversity. Let's have actually a round of applause for that. Really, it is important as a HR, really, I personally believe that we have a role of HR of demonstrating self and demonstrating others. I think the new generation which is coming up is really demonstrating well them. They are not actually really hiding, they are not confused, they are not really kind of fear to demonstrate themselves. And I'm really thankful and appreciating all the participants who have contributed or participated in the Yuva Ratna Award. Whatever actually matter, it is winner or not winner, but I'm sure that you are one step forward in your journey of demonstrating self, and surely you will demonstrate others also. Because when the person is demonstrating self, it is always they are demonstrating others also. I am telling you the demonstration because nowadays the leadership is more actually ahead of the time. Earlier we were calling that demonstrating self and others, but now it is not like that actually. How we are demonstrating others also is very, very important. And so really we are, as a jury, we are finding that the people are, participants are coming up with good kind of knowledge. Very impactful actually thing also they have given in their explanation, projects, how they are impacting to their co-organization, their teams, their colleagues, and how they are growing also. So very good information we got, but importantly is that how we are celebrating our growth. When the growth happens, actually it is important that how we are contributing, and we were telling that next year we will also have one more kind of criteria of or the jurisdiction, that how we are impacting others when we are actually doing something good or something out of the box, different, then how we are impacting others. That is the most important role actually today the HR leaders should have. that how we, whatever we are doing, not only actually it is affecting or it is influencing, it is growing ours, but how it is impacting to the others also. So that's what actually the good experience we have seen here. Really, we enjoyed as a jury, and thanks to SHRP for nominating us here. And hopefully, we have tried the right or the best method of seeing your contributions. Immaterial again, whether you are winning or not, but really you are already on the one step forward in your actually contribution to the HR community.
So good evening, everyone. My colleague has shared rather a lot of things related to whole process, but I would rather would like to give one clue for a next year award. Mainly this year also we have evaluated the things in a rather very minute way, where we have observed that certain projects or certain things is really good in a best way design or best way people are working. But I would say there are four things where for next year I think you should focus on, and those are four HR pillar. One is people related processes. Another is corporate, that's mainly related to strategical things. Third is government, where the government or IR related stuff which we are talking about. And fourth is a society, where society development, society upliftment related projects also. And in top of that, the things which you are doing effortless, which we call as the digitalization. So what sort of things which you can rather add on the things where there is a digitalized solution, and in digitalized solution also you can work. Those sort of things I think we should you should focus on. Congratulations from my side also, those who are winner and those who are who have rather participated in this whole Yuva Ratna award this thing. So thank you very much from my side. Thank you very much, SHRP also to nominated us as a jury member. Thanks.
So thank you so much to the jury members for sharing their experiences. And I also would like to share that for me also this was a very learning experience. बहुत diverse projects थे. Contract laborers के लिए क्या-क्या employee ने किया है, वहाँ से लेके 25 different countries में payrolls को standardize करना. बहुत different variety के projects थे across the industries, across private and public sectors. So a great learning experience. And thank you so much for the jury members for helping me understand the scale of the projects and किस तरीके से evaluation किया जाता है. So I also had a very learning thing. Thank you so much. And now
Neha is also last year's awardee, and we by design we kept her a last year awardee in the jury, so that because I think most of us have grown now with a grey hair or a bald, so we wanted someone from Generation Z to be representing what, because we might have some thoughts which are old-fashioned, but her presence in the jury was really helpful. And we are also coming up with the thought that once somebody gets an award, what he or she does subsequent years. So consistency of what we do. So I think that also will be coming up. This is the third year, so I think we would like to see more jury members from the awardees. So thank you so much, Neha, for giving those thoughts and making us work hard. Thank you so much.
Great. Let's give a round of applause to everybody, to the all jury members. And thank you so much, sir, for spending special time in your busy schedule and honoring all the processes. Would like to invite Gaurav and Hiren sir to felicitate Datte sir with a Vasu gift hamper and memento. Memento, please. Okay, memento is there. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Datte sir. Would like to invite Pawan and Hiren sir once again to felicitate Rakesh sir. Thank you, Rakesh sir. Would like to invite Karthik and Hiren sir for felicitating Suren sir. Please. Thank you so much, Suren sir. Would like to invite Vikas and Hiren sir to felicitate Amit sir. Thank you so much, Amit sir, and would like to invite Neha on the center stage. Please request Pawan and Hiren sir to felicitate Neha with the Vasu gift hamper and memento. Requesting everybody to join for the group photo, please. Group photo, please. Yeah. So once again, thank you so much. The Crown HR Services, Prahlad Bhai, day one से हमारे साथ खड़े हैं as a sponsor. Let's give a big hand to Prahlad Bhai. 5 years, amazing support from day one. Thank you so much, Prahlad Bhai. Okay. Thank you so much, Bhavin Shah also, I am possible. Thank you so much, Vasu Healthcare. Thank you so much, Tara Sons once again. Sashi Caterers, Standard Security Services, Sparsh Occupational Health Center, and Prajo. Thank you so much once again. And now once again inviting Neha to process further. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now the highlight of the event, our winners. तो सब फोटो खिंचवाने के लिए रेडी? All the Yuva Ratnas and all the photographers ready? Well, so let us celebrate these remarkable individuals who exemplify excellence in HR. Are you all ready? Yes? Okay. So let's call upon the first Yuva Ratna awardee, Miss Krishna Patel from Amneal Pharmaceuticals, from the category 1-6 years. There she is. And may I please request the entire jury members to be on the stage for the entire time. Amit sir, Datesh sir, Suren sir, and Rakesh sir for a certificate. सर लेकिन आप साथ में प्लीज. Okay, so is the photographer ready? Congratulations, Krishna Patel. Next, I would request Prahlad sir and Hiren sir to be on the dais. Prahlad sir and Hiren sir, please come on the dais to felicitate Krishna with a gift hamper. Krishna, तुम इधर ही रुको. तुम रुको. So I will. हाँ हाँ बोलो. So Prahlad sir and Hiren sir, please come on the dais to present the gift hamper. Bye, Basu. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, fine. So थोड़े कंफ्यूजन के बाद अब हम सीख लेते हुए अगली तरफ बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट युवा रत्न अवार्डी की तरफ. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँ कि हमारी जूरी तो सेंटर में आ ही जाए और अब हम इनवाइट करेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट कार्तिक भट्ट फ्रॉम वोल्टाम ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स लिमिटेड. एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट वन सेकेंड. I would also request Yash sir to please come on the dais to present the award.
DJ.
Okay. So next, thank you so much, Yash sir. And now, अब मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी रायजादा सर रेडी रहे फॉर द नेक्स्ट युवा रत्न अवार्डी को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए. ठीक है, और आप सब लोग तो रही. एंड द नेक्स्ट अवार्डी इज मिस्टर हर्षित शाह फ्रॉम एंटास फार्मास्यूटिकल्स. प्लीज गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हर्षित. so much Raizada sir, thank you so much Harshit. So ये जो अभी तक के थे वो लोग 1 to 6 years के वर्क एक्स वाले थे. अब हम लोग जो आगे जाने वाले वो 6 to 12 years के वर्क एक्स वाले युवा रत्न अवार्ड्स जिनको मिला है. ओके, सो नाउ द जूरी एंड हिरेन सर एंड आप लोग तो वैसे ही रहिए सेंटर में. एंड नाउ हम लोग बुलाना चाहेंगे राजेश फालकर सर को. प्लीज कम ऑन अ डायस टू वेलकम द नेक्स्ट युवा रत्न. एंड द नेक्स्ट युवा रत्न इज Mr. Keyur Seth from Grasim Industries Limited, having 6 to 12 years of work experience. Please give a big round of applause and music. हो सकता है तो please music.
Exclusive.
सो मच. अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी एमएन परमार सर से कि वो रेडी रहे और डाइस पे आ जाए हमारे नेक्स्ट युवा रत्न को अवार्ड करने के लिए. सो ही इज मिस्टर परेश सुथार फ्रॉम PGP Glass Private Limited. Music.
You were the shadow through my life. Did you feel another star? You fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see you alive. Where are you? These shallow waters never knew what I needed.
Thank you so much. And thank you, M.N. Parmar sir. हाँ सर सबके देखा मैडम है फिर मैंने ओके सो नेक्स्ट सुरेखा मैम से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी वो प्लीज डायस पे आए और नेक्स्ट युवा रत्न को अवार्ड देने के लिए फेलिसिटेट करने के लिए सो ज्यूरी इन पोजीशंस ओके सो म्यूजिक रेडी सो द नेक्स्ट युवा रत्न इज फ्रॉम GSFC, Vijendra Gadve. You should come. Thank you, sir. थैंक यू सुरेखा मैम एंड मैं अब रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी मांडवीय से और पुरोहित सर से कि वो नेक्स्ट युवा रत्न को अवार्ड देने के लिए यहीं पे रहे कांग्रेचुलेशंस गढ़वे ओके सो हमारे नेक्स्ट युवा रत्न है
As an ethical practice, Neha, she had abstained from voting for GSFC because she represents GSFC. So she said she would abstain from the voting. So thank you so much.
Not only that, we had a huge, I don't want to say many things, but when Amit, you said that's why, we had a huge discussion on data and we take a feedback of stakeholder also. When some of the things people have quoted, then we said, are your stakeholder is also resonating with what you said or not? So probably that was a doubly sure and transparency we have kept while the assessment.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for the inputs. And now, so the next Yuva Ratna is Mr. Vishal Chauhan, again from PGP Glass Private Limited, having 6 to 12 years of work ex. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so next for the award, we invite Jagdish sir and Yashwinder sir Patiyar to the dais. And isko for the Yuva Ratna, we would like to present, for the Yuva Ratna, we would like to call upon one of the major volunteers for this HR Sammelan. And, ये नहीं है, next आने वाला है, HR Sammelan. and that is Miss Seema Nakum. May I please invite Seema Nakum, one of the major volunteers of SHR.
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा मोल रहा छल्ला दिल से बन के कफन जब तुरया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे छल्ला दिल से बन के कफन जब तुरया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे
Thank you so much, sir.
Apart from being SHRP volunteer, she has really done an amazing work. So this award for the work that she has done, not for an SHRP volunteer. So we give a big round of applause. She has done a really amazing work with the company that she works for. It's an owner-driven organization, simple things, but difficult to execute. So thank you so much, Seema, for doing this for the fraternity.
Thank you. And now, so now we have come to the one last, a special consolation prize that we've given for the profile, because we really like the profile after shifting from marketing to HR. So it was a really nice profile. So इस award को देने के लिए I would like to request Chhabra sir, please come on the dais. Great. So Savi, the profile is. So for this. Okay. And I would also like to invite Miss Vinita Bain Varadia on the dais to present the award. And now it's time for this one special consolation prize. Goes to Miss Varna Brahmbhat from Sahaj Solar Limited. Thank you so much.
This award is an example how HR team finds a solution, because she was not fitting in the criteria of 12 years. And then we deliberated that, इनका HR का काम कितने साल का है? नहीं, वो 11 साल का है, तो फिर तो क्राइटेरिया में आ जाएगा. मार्केटिंग में से HR में आए तब से गिनते. पॉइंट हियर इज we must find a way out. If somebody has done a good work, we must recognize. So thank you, ma'am, from marketing to HR. Wonderful journey. Thank you so much. No, it's really good. See, it's a different journey. Ultimately, we are dealing with people, whether it is marketing or any field. So I think you have been in HR throughout, but to respect the criteria, we said 12 years HR, we differentiated and we did that. So this is not a consolation. This is an amazing prize to, respect a profile which has been transferring to different functions. So thank you so much for doing that.
Thank you. Thank you, Chhabra sir. And I would request the jury to still stay back. जिन लोगों को अभी अवार्ड नहीं मिल पाया है, we would just say कि please be disheartened. आप सबके बहुत डिस्कशन डिबेट किए गए हैं और उसके बाद ही ये फाइनल रिजल्ट्स ट्रांसपेरेंसी के साथ निकले हैं. एंड वी इंश्योर कि आप लोग नेक्स्ट टाइम भी पार्टिसिपेट करिए. एंड ऑफ कोर्स नेक्स्ट ईयर और टफर होने वाला है, बट मेक मोर एफर्ट्स एंड बी कंसिस्टेंट एंड इनोवेटिव. सो आई एम श्योर आपके रिकग्निशन किया जाएगा. एंड टू ऑल द विनर्स, so congratulations on this well-deserved recognition. And you 8 people, you inspire us with your dedication, innovation, and relentless pursuit of excellence. So with a thunderous round of applause, let us invite all the 9 Yuva Ratnas for a group photograph here with their mementos, with a trophy, just a trophy. हमारे नवरत्न So to our Yuva Ratna awardees, let this recognition serve as a reminder that your journey has only begun. Continue to challenge the status quo, embrace innovation, and inspire those around you. The future of HR is in your capable hands. And now I would also like to thank SHRP and Hiren sir for this platform where wisdom of past and energy of present come together. So now I would invite Seema to please take over from here.
Sorry, I know it's time for the dinner, but it is not possible to felicitate without felicitation of sponsors because without them it is not possible, right? So we would like to take a moment to sincerely thank our key sponsors for their invaluable support and commitment to making HR Sammelan 3.0 a grand success. Their contribution has been instrumental in bringing this event to life, enabling us to create a platform for collaboration, growth, and recognition within the HR community. On behalf of the Society of Human Resource Professionals, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for the partnership and unwavering support. So for that, I would like to invite Mr. Prahlad Joshi sir for Crown HR Services and requesting Gaurav to felicitate sir with a plant. Prahlad Joshi sir. Karthik, be ready with the Vasu gift hamper. Okay. Thank you so much, Prahlad sir. Now I request Bhavin Shah sir for I Am Possible Training Solutions and requesting Pawan and Hiren sir to provide a plant, a gift hamper by Vasu and a memento. Next, anyone from Vasu Healthcare? Any representative from Vasu Healthcare? Parth is there. Requesting Sachin Patel to provide a plant and Karthik to provide a memento for Vasu Healthcare. Sachin Patel and Karthik. Thank you so much. Now it's time for the venue partner for Tara Sons, Chintan Bhai. Chintan Bhai or any other person from Tara Sons. Okay, next is Sashi Caterers. Anyone is there for Sashi Caterers? Okay, next is Standard Security Services. Anyone from Standard Security? Okay. Spurs Occupational Health Center, Dr. Milan Thakur. Okay. Requesting Hadi and Sathak to provide a plant, a gift hamper by Vasu and Momento. And also Jigar sir. Be ready. Vikas, please provide a Momento to sir. Anyone from Prajo? Okay. Which team? Ha. Prajo. Okay. Jigar sir, please be here. Jigar sir. Jigar sir will provide a plant and gift hamper by Vastu and a Momento from SHRP.
Breathless.
Thank you so much all the sponsors. I request Sandeep Purohit sir for vote of thanks. Okay, sorry, just 2 minutes. Chintan Bhai has arrived from Tara Sons. Tara Sons. So Jaimin Adyaru, Ronak Patel, Ronak, Jaimin Adyaru. The whole team of Tara Sons are requested to come on the stage, please. The whole team of Tara Sons. Thank you so much, Tara Sons, for always such a wonderful group of property. So I request Sandeep Purohit sir for the vote of thanks.
A big thank you to all those who are still sitting here to listen to my vote of thanks. आज शाम कई बार दोहराया गया कि एचआर के कई किरदार होते हैं, उनमें से 2 किरदार बहुत अहम हैं, लेकिन शायद हिरेन जी भूल गए हैं कि उन्होंने ये 2 किरदार मेरे आज तक पहचाने नहीं। एक किरदार है मेरा प्रोफेसर स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट का। मगन भाई और जगदीश भाई जानते हैं कि पहला लेक्चर हो या आखिरी लेक्चर हो, 50 मिनट के लिए हम कभी भी तैयार हैं। मेरा दूसरा किरदार है एक ट्रेनर का। एक दिन तक बकबक करने के लिए हम कभी भी तैयार हैं। कौन सा वाला किरदार निभाऊं? अच्छा, आपके चेहरे देख करके समझ में आ गया। अगर आप मुझे सुनना बंद करोगे और घड़ी देखना शुरू करोगे तो मैं 90 सेकंड में पूरा कर दूंगा। कैसा लगा यह किरदार? एचआर डोमेन से हूं, सच कम बोलता हूं। कई साल तक मैंने इंतजार किया कि कहीं से कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन युवा रत्न अवार्ड निकालेगी, इसलिए कई सालों तक बालों को काला करता रहा। अब जाकर के इन्होंने युवा रत्न अवार्ड निकाला जब मैंने बंद कर दिया। From the bottom of my heart, from within the four walls of my heart, I deeply, deeply appreciate the award winners of Yuva Ratna, so lovingly, so wonderfully organized by Hiren and his team from SHRP. Organizers, jury members, and winners certainly deserve the accolades. More than them, the nominees to this award deserve double accolades. उन्होंने रास्ता किया तो 8 लोगों को मिला। रायजादा जी है क्या यहाँ पर? रायजादा जी को सिर्फ मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, रायजादा जी और हिरेन जी को बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने बाल काले करना बंद कर दिया, सफेद रखना शुरू किया है। शायद नहीं, मैं वेट करने के लिए रेडी हूं जब आपके स्कीम में आए, लेकिन अब मैं युवा रत्न के लिए एलिजिबल नहीं हूं। ऑल द 3 अवॉर्डीज ऑफ ज्ञान रत्न अवार्ड, आदरणीय परम पूज्य प्रातः स्मरणीय है नहीं अभी मैडम यहां पर, श्रुति जी, उनका जो काम संसार ने देखा है, वो काम करने की ख्वाहिश हमारे जैसे कई लोग रखते हैं, उन्होंने करके दिखाया है। वी आर ग्रेटफुल टू हर फॉर ऑल हर achievements and contributions to the society in absentia. Thank you so much. In case anybody from her organization is around, kindly do share our great appreciation for her. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, organizers of Gnan Ratna. ज्ञान रत्न के 2 अवार्डीज शायद मैंने देखे थे, वो भी नहीं है, पता नहीं। भट्ट साहब को सुनना बहुत पसंद आया। उन्होंने जिस भाषा का प्रयोग किया, गुजराती का ही किया है, लेकिन जिस प्रिसिशन से उसका उपयोग किया, उसका प्रयोग किया, कई चीज़ें मैंने आज सीखी। कई चीज़ों के बारे में मुझे आज ऐसा लगा कि गुजराती छूं, गुजराती होऊं એ એક ગર્વની વાત છે। આટલું સરસ ગુજરાતીમાં એમણે આપણને બધાને બતાવ્યું। पवार साहब भी नहीं है, यहाँ पर नहीं है अभी। शायद काफ़ी वेट किया उन्होंने कि अब संदीप आएगा। आते आते भी वो मैडम ने बोल दिया 2 मिनट और रुक जाओ, तो बस आ तो गया। लेकिन दी wonderful contributors of and wonderful servants of HR as a domain, HR as a function, HR as a future, the Gnan Ratna awardees from HR domain. Sirs, we salute to you, and we will continue the good work that you have sown, the seeds that you have sown, and the good work that you have done for all these years. ये सारे ज्ञान, ये युवा रत्न अवार्डीज के बिहाफ पे मैं बीच में आता हूँ, इसलिए शायद मुझे और देर लगेगी। अभी न ज्ञान में आता हूँ न युवा में आता हूँ, लेकिन इनके बिहाफ पे मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि जो अच्छा काम, जो अच्छा कार्य आपने किया है, जो आप लेगेसी हमारे लिए छोड़ के गए हैं, उस लेगेसी को इनके बिहाफ पे मैं कह रहा हूँ हम लोग आगे बढ़ाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच एंड ग्रेट अप्रिशिएशन फॉर द अवार्डीज ऑफ ज्ञान रत्न। कोई भी ज्ञान की बात हो तो उसकी शुरुआत अगर ज्ञान वत्सल जी से न हो तो शुरुआत नहीं रहती। ज्ञान वत्सल जी ने एक बहुत ही अच्छा और बहुत ही अलग ढंग से, जितनी बार उनको एचआर फोरम में सुनते हैं लगता है एचआर की एक नई बात बता के गए हैं आज। तो स्वामी जी तो नहीं है यहाँ पर, लेकिन स्वामी जी की अनुपस्थिति में उनके जो ज्ञान जो उन्होंने बांटा है, ज्ञान के वैसे तो मैं दाने कहने वाला था, लेकिन कटोरे बांटे हैं, बक्से बांटे हैं, बड़ी बड़ी अलमारियां बांटी है एचआर के ज्ञान की। उसके लिए हम तहे दिल से हर हमेश उनके शुक्रगुजार रहेंगे। और हिरेन, आपने जो रिस्क लिया, मैं समझता हूं कि 1.5 मिनट में मैंने वो रिस्क आपका ज़ाया किया है, पूरा किया है। ग्रेट वर्क डन बाय SHRP, इट्स वॉलंटियर्स। आई डू नॉट रिमेंबर नेम्स ऑफ ईच वन ऑफ देम। मुझे तो 10 मिनट पहले ही कहा कि आपको खड़ा किया जाएगा, तो कई नाम मुझे नहीं मालूम, लेकिन आप सभी का तहे दिल से SHRP और SHRP के बिहाफ पे मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ। टेक वेरी गुड केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ। लंच के लिए मुझे कट कहना जरूरी नहीं है, आप ऑलरेडी वहां पर हो, मैं भी जुड़ जाता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच, मे गॉड ब्लेस ईच वन ऑफ अस।